Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find this Travis Scott AR filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Let me change the screen. Okay, so this is the filter. To get this effect you can visit the creator profile. Blend Mode is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter, Travis Scott. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. Okay, here you go. And if you are not finding the filter here, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Okay, let me go to Instagram and let me remove this filter from here. Okay, this filter is gone. Now let's go to this website. Now tap on this filter icon and open with Instagram, and you got the Travis here. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.